Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stick around for this one. You're going to want to see it.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we are over here at RiverCamps at Crooked Creek, overlooking the Crooked Creek and this beautiful pool
It's
over here.
absolutely amazing.
I don't want to leave.
No.
We have this premier community to showcase today, gorgeous new construction. But my favorite thing about this community, it's private. You get kind of the best of like nature and the beach.
That's right.
But you're just a short drive to 30A, the airport, shopping at Pier Park, anything you need. The amenities in this community are unbelievable.
I've never seen just a big screened-in clubhouse.
It's gorgeous.
It's insane.
Commercial kitchen off the pool. We're overlooking the water. We've got a little hot tub. There's a little boat launch where you can take your paddle boards and your canoe and your kayak. There's not anything.
No, you can walk, you can bike, you can be on the water. Everything's right here,
It is
and it's
so
gated.
gorgeous. So gorgeous. So you've got a new construction to tell us about.
I do. This fantastic 5-bed, 3.5 bath, just received the CO. It's not even really lived in, and it's available. You can't get into RiverCamps in under a year if you're going to build. Not to
Absolutely.
mention getting through the ARB and all of the reviews and all of the approvals. So this is your chance. And it's perfectly situated, not only in the community, but on a beautiful pond.
I noticed they have an enclosed back porch,
Yes.
gorgeous, open floor plan.
Absolutely. Your nice open kitchen with quartz countertops. You've got a space for formal dining or turning it into another den for the kids or whatnot. You can put the kids upstairs out of the family way. You really can do everything with this. It is the perfect, quiet, peaceful outdoor living home.
I love this house.
Yes.
If you want to check this beautiful turnkey ready, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, little under 2,800 square feet, you have got to give us a call.
And, you know, if you want to see more information, check in the description below. We've got the link straight to the MLS listing for you.
Make sure you hit subscribe. Ring that bell. You don't want to miss out on any future videos from thebeachshow.com.
Bye.